Now we have this ninth phylum echinodermata. Now, actually, this phylum echinodermata is totally this phylum contain animally that is totally in water or wholly marine, not in fresh water, in marine water only. And actually, in this phylum, retrogressive evolution occurred. That body is radially symmetrical and with so much of the retrogressive progression occur here. So let's get started this phylum. So this phylum term echinodermata means a spiny skin. Where is that? Spiny skin that is coined by Jacob Klein. I have told you that it got radially symmetrical in adult, but larval was what? Bilaterally symmetrical. Actually, this phylum are animal include totally marine and all are what benthic means living below or on the surface or bottom of the sea, but except sea cucumber that is on the surface of the water or the surface of the sea, mostly free living except sea lilies. Now echinodermata is to be deuteromus. Now deuterostome. So deuterostome is that in which anus is the main character. From anus, what developed from anus is the opening, and this deuterostome developed in echinodermata and in chordata only. This family largest animal according to lack fresh water. So lack fresh water, bottom dweller, surface of water pelagic. So cucumber are what? Pelagic. Now spiny skin, the phylum named itself has spiny skinned coelomate organ system classification. Echinodermata difference from metazoa. Body is what? Unsegmented. So here body is become unsegmented and head also absent. So uncephalized head absent, head given. Oral and abroral. So oral is like mouth and abroral is the anus part. Now endoskeleton is mitozo. So endoskeleton is found in hair. So endoskeleton protect from other or enemy or prey. So this endoskeleton made of calcareous ossicle means calcium carbonate. Now body bear a spine for protection, pedicelaria that prevent foreign particle on the body surface. Except chordata only this phylum contain endoskeleton. So I have told you. So with chordata this echinodermata phylum also include endoskeleton. Digestive system is complete except brittle star. Now sea working gut masticating organ. So masticating organ means like teeth for chewing. It has got Aristotle lalten in sea urchin. Remember this some exception point and some main point you should remember, that is sea urchin Aristotle lalten and has umbilical system. So you should know that in echinodermata the main characteristic is water vascular system. So don't be confused in water vascular system and water vascular canal. So water vascular canal was present on porifera, first phylum, and in invertebrates last phylum we have water vascular system here, but there in porifera water vascular canal was present, and coelom with hemal system. Now this is metrophorite connection outside, means connecting body is metrophorite here, and through this metrophorite water what enter. So this is like the this is like the type of connective like tissue for what water vascular system. Now ring canal is lined with Tadman body. Also rachis gland found in formation of lymphocytes. So radial canal is here with 5 pair of pupils. So radial canal. Now here this is pentameter. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 5. So like this type of like starfish type of organism is present here. So radial feet and tube feet present. Now this phylum include rasping and food capturing organ by tube feet. Now from tube feet they food capturing and for respiration use. So tube feet is very important organ. Now here pedicellariae present. For the presence of pinna, they use what pedicellariae for the protection of skin gills from water. So skin gills can be protected by the pedicellariae. So this is the unique feature also. So pedicellariae, you should remember that pedicellariae, rasping organ and Tiedemann body, this and water vascular system. This is important. Madreporite for the water vascular canal, for water vascular system, and you should understand this also. What holy marine include. So due to retrogressive evolution here excretory system is absent. Before this phylum mollusca include excretory system kidney that is found in highly organized animal. Chordata phylum or mammalia also include, that is the main, that was the evolutionary progressive, but here include retrogressive evolutionary. Here no brain also, in this is also, this no brain is also retrogressive. Previous we have brain statocyst also, with brain statocyst and different part for testing chemical nature of water or etc. So here sense organs are poorly developed, consist of tentacles, pigment. Here eye spot, not eye but eye spot present, and here also statocyst present. Now respiration. Now here respiration on of the echinodermata phylum animal to different apparatus, that is the dermal branch or papilla starfish, gills, sea urchin, genital bursa. Genital bursa is like reproductive organ. So from that reproductive organ also make what respiration. Brittle star, cloacal respiration. Cloacal respiration is also type of what reproductive organ respiration in sea cucumber. Now circulatory system open, heart is here of this is also what retrogressive progression here. Now eggs are homoleucithal. This homoleucithal is progressive, that in mammal also, in man also that homoleucithal occurs, yolk uniformly what distributed. Now dioecious copulation absent, fertilization is external. Now this is autotomy, means if you cut a starfish or this group phylum, this group animal, then it will automatically generate the lost organ. Or this autotomy means if your autotomy means like in lizard, what they break its tail for escaping from the enemy. So like this autotomy here for breaking, confuse what enemy. Now evisceration means excretion of viscera, and here regeneration also occurs. So I have told you that regeneration by epimorphosis means regenerate the lost part. Now we have cleavage, radial and indeterminate, sexes separated or united here. Now here all is indirect development. So this this phylum classify classes according to this larva. So let's discuss this larva 5 types. So in Astoradia, we have the larval form Biplanaria, Brachyolaria, Diplorelia. Ophioidea contain Ophioplitus. Echinoidea contain Plutus. Holothorosidia contain Auricularia. Crinoidea contain Doliauria or Pentanoidea. Noidid. Now we have power, a special power of regeneration, that is epimorphosis. Epimorphosis and morpholepsis both autotomy excavation well developed. We have studied. Now classification. Now classification on the base of this larval. So we have what? Asteroidea, Ophionidia, Echinoidea, Holothoroidea and Crinoidea. In this, 5 are not demarked from central axis, and in this 5 are demarked from central axis. Now no are present here. Now cucumber like in Holoidea. Now lily flower like in Clonidia. Now madrophoride or boral means madrophoride means for the purpose of water. Now madrophoride is aboral means on the anus. Now madrophoride oral means mouth, aboral, oral, and no madrophoride here. Now example of larva that contain Biplanaria, Brachynoidea, Ophioplitus, Echinoplitus, Auricularia, and Doliauria. Now we have example from each class. That Aristoidea contain Ascaris, starfish, and now Ophioidea contain brittle star, basket star. Now Echinoidea contain igneous, hot urchin. Now Holothorosidia contain sea cucumber, and Crinoidea contain sea, here is not given, but sea lily, and that sea lily is called feather star. Now we have next point is classification is based on shape, position of madrophoride, and characteristics of digestive system. So classification is based on both, you can say, that is shape, position of madrophoride, and what larval stage also. 5 type of larva, so contain that classes on the larval form. Now this subphylum, now it has got also 5 classes of this phylum, contains subphylum also, that is Eleutherozoa. Now Asteroidea means a star-like form with 5 arms not demonstrated from central axis. So this contains Pedicelaria, is the organ of defense. Offense means for the protection. Now Astrasis is starfish, sea pentagon. Now starfish is benthoic means bottom dweller. We have already studied that. So sea cucumber is only what on the upper layer. Starfish is nocturnal to spray. Now great power of regeneration. If you cut, then it will reappear the lost part capacity. And it is also autotomy, means for the escape from the enemy, it will break its tail. Now Ophioidea. Now in Ophioidea, 5 star demarked from central axis is correct. Now here anus and pedicella are absent. Madrophoride oral here for the water vascular system. Madrophoride on the mouth. Now example is this brittle star, basket star. Now Econoidea class 3 Econocus means a spiny form. So Medeophorite, aboral hair and pedicellaria 3 jaw without arm. Example is sea urchin, heart urchin. Now Aristotle Latin. So Aristotle Latin is same for biting, chewing. Is mastigatory apparatus for sea urchin. Now we have fourth class, that is Holothroidea. In this sea cucumber occur. That sea cucumber is on the upper, so no pedicellaria, medeophorite oral. Example is sea cucumber. Now, now second phylum Platonzoa. In this we include a stalk-like animal, that is sedentary, or a stalk. A stalk is present. Now we have fifth class, that is Crinoidea. Crinoidea means lily form, like sea lily found here. So lily flower like attached to substratum means bottom. Now arm bear pinnulus, here no medeophorite organs, and the example is sea lily. Now some point read and digest. It has what radially symmetrical at the larval form, but no, at larva it was biradial symmetrical, but later in adult it become radially symmetrical exhibited and attached to the substratum here. Ambrosial system for water vascular system. Starfish is pure oyster. Starfish is the enemy of pure oyster. Pure oyster is for pear bearing, and pear bearing is from what? Molluscan family. Medeophorite canal is also called stone canal. This is like canal for the passage of water. So include with water vascular system. Now stomach comes to a body outside, like in starfish. Aristotle Latin characteristics of echinoderms in class of Echinoidea. Now Amburacle group is absent here on the class of Noidea. Class Crinoidea of echinodermata poses fixed individual. Now presence of enterocele. Now here enterocylum present, that is the more developed coelom. This coelom include in chordata and this echinodermata family or phylum. Now calcareous taste is found in sand dollar. Echinoderms are deuterostomach, means from anus the development is start. Now have mesodermal endoskeleton. So endoskeleton is mesodermal. So endoskeleton is only present on echinodermata and chordata. Now body wall consists of muriform gland, that is in epidermis from pigmentation. Now endoskeleton, 2 feet water vascular system, contain ampulla, podium and sucker. So this was the our echinodermata phylum. Now we will discuss some type of question from this, and we will move to the chordata. Oh, okay.